lot of patients have questions about what kind of dentist to look for regarding implant placement. But patients really should be looking for a dentist that has the necessary training and skills, the advanced technology required to plan and place and eventually restore implants. A lot of dentists can restore a single implant here and there. That is the trend nowadays, that most general dentists can do that. But it takes a certain level of advanced training to plan a full-on, all-on-4 case. You should look for a dentist that has had that additional training, that has that connection with a high-tech dental laboratory that can provide that sort of process for a patient. Here at Attleboro Family Dental Care, we're a judgment-free zone. We have no biases against everyone. We want to hear from you. We want you to share with us. We want you to feel comfortable so that we can provide you the best possible implant care for you in your mouth. Our advanced technology allows us to create surgical guides to precisely place your implants in a minimally invasive way so that you have much less recovery time and you're much more comfortable during the entire process. Using this kind of digital process, we can also provide the all-on-4 provisional that same day of implant service, so you can leave with teeth in place. You can smile, eat, and chew, laugh, and talk as you need to. Here at Attleboro Family Dental Care, we have about 20 years of experience placing and restoring implants, so we look forward to seeing you for a free implant consult. Please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to assist you.